What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be messing around with this stuff for a little minute. Basically, I got these. Well, here's the old brake pads. They're pretty toasty. We got some Brembo ceramic brake pads that kind of scratched up a little bit trying to get them on, not realizing I have to compress the caliper piston. So today we're gonna work on getting that bad boy compressed enough to get these in there and on the, don't mind the old rusty rotor, but we're gonna see how it goes. I might film a little bit along the way and post that at a later time, but that's what we're gonna do today, and I'll check up with you guys on it as soon as I get done.